So here's the Logitech H390 headphone. This is a USB headphone. It supports plug and play, clear, laser tune, noise cancellation, supports Skype for business, and a couple more Yahoo Messenger, Gmail, Live Messenger. Okay, here's a package, and this way there's something like this, and I can easily to peel it off from the top. It's easy open, but without using the scissors. I know a lot of people are struggling to how to open this kind of box. So here's the headset itself. So anyway, so look at headset. So we can see this is a USB head, and this is the, I believe it's a mute function, some control, and this is up volume down. Okay. So the headset itself looks more like a plastic feeling. So there's some form here, so give you a little bit comfort. And here's the microphone, but I feel the edge of the plastic is a little bit sharp. It's too sharp to me. It's kind of, it's going to cut my skin, so I don't like this. And other stuff, you can adjust the size here. You can adjust it, and yeah, that's it.